Hello children, welcome you in the bio class. Children, in bio class today I am going to explain you inequality of sexes and infertility. Along with this infertility, you will study causes of infertility. So first I will discuss inequality of sexes. So what is the reason of inequality of sexes? You know, in the human beings, total number of chromosomes are 46. 46 chromosomes are. From these 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes autosomes. 44 chromosomes means 22 pair. So it is 44 means 22 pair of chromosomes are autosomes. Other XX, XY, these two are the sex chromosomes. So last pair of the chromosomes XX, XY are sex chromosomes. Now, if you are taking any cell of human beings, in that 46 chromosomes are present, it means 23 pair, and there are 22 pair of autosomes, one pair X chromosomes present in the female. But when you study the male cell, in that you will find 22 pair autosomes. 22 pair autosomes plus this is the 22 pair autosomes plus one X chromosomes and one Y chromosomes are present in the male. So clear to you, in the female 22 pair autosomes, one pair X chromosomes are present. So what is which chromosomes are present in the female? In the female are 22 pair autosomes and one pair X chromosomes. It is in female. But when you are studying the male, in male there are 22 pair autosomes. This 22 pair means 44 chromosomes, autosomes, and one X chromosomes and one Y chromosomes. Now you see, when female produce gamete, the gametes which are produced by the female, all the gametes are alike. It means only one type of gametes female is producing. Gamete of the female is called egg or ovum, and each gamete, each ovum has 22 plus X chromosomes. It is the egg. But when gametes are produced by male, so in the male their chromosomes are 22 pair, means 44 autosomes, one X chromosomes and one Y chromosomes. Therefore male produce two types of gametes. 50% gametes are 22 plus X chromosomes, and other 50% gametes are 22 plus Y chromosomes. So these are the two types of gametes are produced by the male, and ratio in these two types of gametes which are produced by the male, that is 1:1. Why 1:1? I told 50% gametes are having 22 plus X, 22, and other remaining 50% 22 plus Y. So now question is, so this I told about male gamete, and male gamete is called sperm. Now, during the fertilization, egg is going to fuse with the sperm. All the egg alike. It means in the egg 22 plus X chromosomes are. But sperms are two types. The sperm which has 22 plus X chromosomes. If this sperm fuse with the egg, then what zygote is formed? From that zygote, female child developed. It means there is female baby. But if the their egg has 22 plus X and sperm, that sperm which has 22 plus Y chromosomes, it is going to fuse with the egg, then male child will produce. That means boy. So it is the matter of chance which male gamete is going to fuse with the egg. And biologically, we can say only father determines the sex of the child. Mother cannot determine the sex of the child because mother is producing all the gamete, all the egg that is alike, identical. But father is producing sperm, two types. Therefore, biologically, father determines the sex of the child. What will be the sex of the child? It is determined by the father. And but you see in our society, who is blamed for the female child? So mother is always blamed for begetting a female child, not father. But here you have to understand, really mother is not responsible for it, father is responsible. So mother is unnecessarily in our society is blamed for begetting a female child. But we can say here, mother is superior, means female is superior in comparison to the man. So why we can say mother is superior in comparison to the father? Because mother is who nurses the offsprings from the time of conception till it is ready to take care of itself. So due to this reason you can say mother is superior. Now next thing we have to study infertility. So what is infertility? Infertility, we can observe basic human urge is to reproduce, to have a family, and they are regarding it as a blessing of the God. And those who are not having family, those who are not having the children, those who are not able to reproduce, so that is a misfortune in our society. If they are able to produce, they are having the family, so that is considered as a blessing of the God. If they are not able to reproduce, they are not having the family, it is considered as a misfortune. So why a family or a couple cannot produce the children? What are the reasons? So it was found 30% cases are due to some problem in the reproductive system of the female partner, and 30% problem is due to the malfunctioning in the male reproductive system. So you have to study if there is some problem in the reproductive system, either male reproductive system or female reproductive system, then couple cannot produce children. So you have to see what are the reason, what are the causes. So here I will discuss you some main reason. So in main reason, first one is poor sperm production. What are the main reason of infertility? In that, first reason is poor sperm production. Poor sperm production. You know, sperm is the male gamete, and male gametes are produced by the male. Male gamete sperms are manufactured or produced in the testes. Its production starts from the age of puberty till the age of 60, or in some cases maybe above 60. So why there is poor production of male gamete or sperm? The seminiferous tubules present in the testes. By the process of spermatogenesis, seminiferous tubules, by the process of spermatogenesis, you have studied what is spermatogenesis. By this process, male gametes are produced in the testes. But if the cells which are producing the male gamete sperm, that cells are damaged. So they are not producing sufficient number of sperms. So their number of sperms are less, or sperms are not mobile, cannot move. So this is the one reason. Other is poor egg production. So egg is produced by female. So what is the other reason? That is poor egg production. Less production of the egg. Egg is produced in the female in the ovary. There are some hormones. That hormones are responsible for the stimulation and for the maturation of the egg in the ovary. They are gonadotropin hormones, follicle stimulating hormones. So less sperms are produced. The hormones which stimulate, they are produced by pituitary gland, and there is less secretion of hormones not able to stimulate to develop the egg during the menstrual cycle. So this is the reason. Third one is the blockage between the sperm and egg. You know, if there is healthy sperms, sufficient number of sperms are produced, healthy egg, and sufficient healthy egg is produced, then now there is the fusion of the sperm and egg. So there is blockage between. Blockage means when sperm and egg are going to fuse, together, then there is the zygote is formed. But you have to remember, egg is present in the fallopian tube in the body of female. Sperms are present in the male. So first sperms have to introduce into the vagina. So when sperms are introduced into the vagina, then sperms will come in the uterus. See, this structure is this portion is the vagina, and near the neck sperms are deposited by the penis. Now sperms will move in the uterus. They will come in the fallopian tube, and fallopian tube is the site of fertilization. So what is the site of fertilization in human? In the human beings is internal fertilization. Internal means fertilization is in the body of female. Second is fertilization is in the fallopian tube. Fallopian tube is the site of fertilization. So there are some obstruction, and due to that sperms cannot reach to the egg. So where obstruction may be, first obstruction is near the cervix. This cervix is there, neck, and this is the neck. There is a mucous gland. If viscous mucous gland is, they prevent the entry of the sperm. After that, sometimes uterus is hostile. So when uterus is hostile, then also they will destroy the sperm. Other is fallopian tube. In some cases, there is the blockage in the fallopian tube. When there is the blockage, then also sperm cannot reach to the egg and fertilization cannot take place. Or it may be inner lining of the fallopian tube has damaged. Next reason is the hostile response to sperm. So what is the hostile response? Women produce antibodies in the blood, and that antibodies react against a sperm. And when they are reacting against a sperm, so sperms are not able to move and they cannot fertilize. So these I told 4 main reasons of causes of infertility. First one is poor sperm production. Second is poor egg production. Third is blockage between the sperm and the egg. And fourth is hostile response to sperm.